Welcome back to today's quick trading analysis part 2, or whatever part you want to call it. Alright, let's take a look. Here we have the US Tech at 100. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit messy, the chart I'm looking at. I'm just going to tick this off, and then you can actually see what is truly going on. Alright, now here we go. So back in the first lockdown, as you can see, clearly went down and then went up. Down, up. As you can see here, what we're doing is we are forming a new high and higher low. Sorry, as you can see, it is pretty much climbing up. And then recently, in December 2021, it went down to this level here, and we are going up. Now let's take a look at our RSI. What's happening? First of all, I'm going to go on the weekly time frame to see the overall what is going on. All right, so we are still bullish in the overall time frame. Okay, now let me take a quick look what's happening. So in 2020 it hit the 20 level on the RSI and then jump up, and then you can also see that the MACD here is crossed out, so it's very good buying signals. And then it went oversold, it dropped down a little bit, and here we go. So oversold and then dropped down massively in this case. Now let's take a look. Now as you can see, it has not reached a oversold region. Overbought, so that was overbought, above 70 is overbought. However, on RSI, it has not reached a sold region. Now, two things. You can say, well, this is not the bottom. It can actually keep going down, alright, and it can actually go up. It's up to you how you want to see it. But if I take a look at previously, for example, here, it came close to the bottom one, and then if I zoom in, it came close to the bottom one here and then go up. As you can see here, it touched it actually and then go up. Now we are currently here. Now let's take a look. The RSI here, sorry, the RSI is pretty much, it's not overbought yet, it's not oversold yet. The MACD, we're getting a bearish MACD here. Now I'll add another indicator, and the indicator I will add would be the moving average. I need a moving average, as you can see here, that's the one. Okay, now we are currently, let's take a look. So we are currently above the 100 moving average, which is great. However, we are currently breaking above this 50 moving average in this case, so the candle needs to be closed. Now the week is not over yet. Okay, so this here was last week. Yeah, that was last week. Now this is this week. As you can see, it's clearly big bullish in this case. So here is good, it's turned to bullish, it's been rejected, so we can take this as a confirmation. Now we want to see this go all the way up here to the first order block in this case here. So we got a bearish candle with a green one, the red one, and then we have a little bullish one. As you can see, well, closed very small and then went all the way down. We got this one here. Now we are going up. All right, let's take a look what we can do. Okay, so we came all the way here, we got a rejection, and we can expect it to go all the way there as well. It may take a few weeks to get there. Now let me drop back on the month, go on the monthly time frame. So here we go, the monthly time frame. Each candle is showing the monthly time frame. Now let's take a look what we have. So we're still bullish. So as you can see, touch this one here, got rejected. Okay, rejected, and the month is not nearly done. So the month is nearly done, pretty much tomorrow. Today's the last day, and we are technically still overbought. And here we go, as you can see, touch this and touch this. Okay, so pretty much we have a nice place to go to. Right, now let's go to daily time frame. I want to check what's going on in daily time frame. Now daily time frame, as you can see, it is showing to me that it is indeed a bearish one. Now however, on the MACD and RSI, we're getting, it is overbought, oversold. As you can see, it's going up, so this is a good opportunity. Now I predict that this here will go all the way to this level, as you can see here. Now what I'll do is I will go for a buy option. Now my limit, let me just take a look at this, I'll show you pretty much. So first of all, I want to enter my target. My profit target will be at this level here. As you can see, that's where I am going to. Now I need to So I will not enter at market level. I will only enter when it pretty much crosses this here. So in this case, I need to work out a nice entry point. So nice entry point will be going onto the 15-minute time frame to check what is truly going on. As you can see here, it did form a nice cup here, and I will enter when it is at this level here, as you can see here. So currently we are at this level, so if once it breaks through, then will be a nice confirmation that it is indeed going to go up. So I'll put it here. Okay, here we go, and 14931.4, as you can see, and my target level will be all the way on the top, I can even put it here if you want to. Okay, now I'm pretty much buying 0.5 pounds per point. Alright, now let's take a quick look here. I'll also put a stop loss. My stop loss would be, let's take a quick look here. My stop loss. Why is it not working? Here we go. My stop loss would be, let me take a quick look. It's going to be, yeah, this here. Okay. Now let's take a look at how much. So if I go up, that's 700. Okay, so margin was going to be 700. If I win, I will this much. If I lose, I will lose this much. In this case here, as you can see, I'm currently in the profit of £133. And let me just check. I will drop this a little bit. There we go. My stop loss, I'll bring it back up here to this level. Okay, my thing would be a little bit here, and here we go. Now I'll place the order. The order has been placed. Now what will happen is once the market reaches this level, that's when my order will take in. That's when my order will go in. Alright. Otherwise, let's say for example the market does not reach that level, the market chooses to go back up, back down, then I'm still safe because it has not touched this level yet. Right, let me just show you my current position. So currently I have Wall Street open. Let's open this. So here we go. Let me just remove this indicator. So let me go back on the 4-hour time frame so I can show you where I'm going to. So pretty much my target level is this point here. Okay, this point here, that's where we're going to. As you can see, it is indeed bullish, so we're still going up ahead. I can even check the RSI. Let's take a look at the RSI to see where we're going. As you can see, the RSI is still going up, so it's still going to go through. Okay, 191 pounds. Okay, and here we go. This one got triggered. Okay, so currently I am -3, -5. That's fine. I'm here for the long. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it goes down a little bit. As you can see, now it's going up 2. Okay, so here we go. So getting the profit run in this case. Okay, hopefully this helped you quite a lot.